Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kita, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hit that notification bell so that you never miss another upload from me. Alright guys, we're going to jump right back into this video. I received a package today, and it is quite large, so I have my scissors here, and we're going to get started unboxing this. And as you can see, I ordered from the Coach Outlet website, and hopefully this is my shoes. And you guys, please do not mind my hair. I did a pre-poo today, and you can see the shine as well as a deep condition. I pre-pooed first, and I did my wash and dried, and then I did not dry my hair. I washed and conditioned my hair, and then I did my deep conditioner, as well as I showed you all the results, and now my hair is almost completely dry. So look at that shine, y'all. Anyway, back to this video. Got some bubble paper and my shipping label, and these are in fact my shoes. Box, go away. All right, y'all, it came with this little band around it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Just got this card here. We'll look at that later because I'm excited to see my shoes. I'm so excited. And these are the Isabella's loafers. Let's take this off so you guys can really see what the shoe look like. These are the Isabella's loafers in a size 9. And I purchased these for graduation, honey. I'm so glad that I bought this shoe. Oh, that is going to be tough. Tough, tough, tough. And here's the other one. I'm so excited about my shoes, y'all. So excited about my shoes. This is what they look like on the top. It's the signature print. Ah, yes. I'm in love with these shoes, y'all. In love with these shoes. And they come packaged so beautifully. Hopefully, you guys, that I can wear them. I'm going to start trying to break them in. So, y'all, can I tell me that this is not about to be a whole tough for graduation? Y'all remember this poppy crossbody? I got my scissors now, y'all. I can cut this little thing off and show y'all how it's really supposed to be worn, okay? So excited. Where was that thing at? Oh, I already cut it off. Haha. I was so excited, y'all. But this is their poppy crossbody in their color block pattern. And yes. Trying to get it situated so I can throw this around me, honey. And don't mind this little, that's my little oil spot from me doing my hair earlier. But yes, honey, when I tell you, Graduation about to be sick of me. Graduation is about to be sick of me, honey. Let me tell you. I'm so excited, y'all, that I purchased these items. But make sure that you guys go back and look at that other video that I had posted online for you all. I'm just so excited about my shoes. I want to put them on so bad, but I need to do my feet first. So be prepared for that doggone video as well, because graduation is coming literally right on up. Like Speedy Gonzalez. Speedy Gonzalez. And I have to do my hair. I have to do my makeup. Y'all. Oh. But I'm still on the fence about what color pants I want to wear with this. But I think I'm going to wear white pants with this. So, we'll see. But I'm so glad that I got these shoes. And I purchased these shoes because we are going to be walking up above a lot of steps. And I didn't want my feet to be hurting, y'all. And our professor stated that we need to wear flat shoes. So these gonna do me the trick, honey. And I'm so excited. It has their logos all over this shoe. And I'm so glad, so happy with my purchase. I'm gonna start breaking these in pretty soon. Probably walking around the house just cluck, 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 clucking. But it's all right. I'm gonna be a chicken. But anyway, I'm so, like I said, I'm so glad with my purchase. I'm so glad that I decided to order from Coach because I got a lot of items. And this is my first luxury purchase. So I'm pretty stoked about it. I can't wait to wear all of these items. And I promise to make sure that I take pictures in this or vlog one day so that you guys will be able to see me in all of these items, okay? But y'all, I'm graduating. I'm just on cloud 25 over here. Like, oh my God. Like, I'm just so excited to be graduating. Like, these are graduation gifts to me. Just for not giving up through it all. I prayed so hard. And God is still in the blessing business, y'all. I promise you. He will never leave you nor forsake you, honey. As well as he is a way maker and a promise keeper. Period. Okay? But these are the items that I purchased, like I said, from graduation. Well, for graduation. So I will see you guys in my next video.